G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial we are going to look at the Translate option or app within Canva. It's pretty cool. Used it a couple of times, so let's get stuck into it. So on the left hand menu bar we look for the Translate and we just click on it and it will open up this window here. So we want to make sure that we're on Translate, and we can basically just come over here to text, press T for text on your keyboard. Also create a heading and we'll go Canva is awesome. Alright, so we will translate that in English to one of the other languages in the translator function. So we'll go back there to translate, and I've chosen Japanese as one of the previous experiments I was doing, and we can look at original, conversational, informative, inspirational, friendly, and professional. We can translate pages, we can translate text from current page, and it will highlight the text that we've got selected. So once we've done that, again, just settings, reduce the font size, duplicate page when translating. So they're just the options under settings. So if we go back to translate, translate to the language, select the type of voice, automatically detect current language, so we can select any language or automatically detect. Okay, make sure that we've got select text from current page, that's selected, and then we go translate. And that will translate Canva is awesome into Japanese. Okay, so we can also do another. Canva is awesome. We'll go back to translate. We'll select another language, say Irish. Okay, and that will translate again into Irish. Press the translate button, and that is Irish. So what you can do to check it is open up one of the translators, Google Translator for example, copy that in, press the translate button and translate that to English, and you will get the exact translation. Just something to keep in mind, you get some tokens here or crowns, and you get about 500, so that will drop down and it will give you a refresh after a date. Alright, so thank you very much for listening. I hope you've learned something. Have fun with Canva. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, press the notification button, and until next time, have fun with Canva.